the next world.
Very good.
My friend.
Look. Next pointing. Lean back.
We headed to the next activity in Camp Dunda. I can see tents. I think people camp. So if you would want to camp there, the tents, camping tents. So we headed to the next activity. It's kind of a forest. So I think there is a waterfall, a river down here. The activities like canopy walk, zip lining, mud fun for those who want to get into the mud, and also other activities. So I don't know if you guys can hear me. I can hear the river. It's kind of a forest, you see, and resting seats if you come here and you're tired. And then when you come in here, you dress like boots or something, or close shoes. It seems like it's been raining, and yeah, actually this is my first time in Camp Dunda, even though I'm from Embu County. I've never been in Camp Dunda. No, I've never. So at least this time I've managed to come. So I'm not alone. We are a group. They are ahead of me. So yeah. So I can see something written. Nature is cheap than therapy, and that is true. Like when you're walking down this forest, you feel some good breeze. You feel, that stroll, the nature stroll down here. It's a good therapy. Good therapy. So let's go. So we have another nature trail, zip lining to the next. It's called Don't Litter the Bee. There is also a canopy bridge, and another. I have a therapist. Her name is Nature. Wow. Okay. Amazing. Allah, changed. You already changed. So let's continue. We have another squad behind me. He's our co-driver. Our Kadere. Kadere? No, Kevin. Say hi. Wave. Wave. That's one of us. So I have to rush so that the other guys will not leave us. I can hear the waterfall. Wow. Okay, it's actually in the bush. It's kind of a forest. That's why they have written nature is a free therapist. No need to pay. Katotara kinyai ne ona to kira twenge. Look. That's how it looks. You see? Anganima tutire. At if you are not lost, you are not much for an explorer. Hey, I need. I'm exploring. Wow. Yay! I'm not lost. I'm exploring. This is a high risk area. Adhere to guides instructions. Hapa umiss.
All right. You can see something. You can
So
see.
we still moving.